Okay. Question number 1. During the Hari Keusahawanan in a school, 800 booklets of coupons were sold. The price of each booklet of coupon was RM30 and RM50 respectively. The total amount collected was 30,000. How many booklets of RM30 and RM50 coupon were sold? So look at the question. Okay, so the question is, how many booklet of RM30 and RM50 were sold? So since we do not know for both, you just say X booklet and Y booklet. X booklet for RM30 and how many for RM50 booklet? Y. Okay? So look at the info again. 800 booklet. Okay, so you have to understand X plus Y is equal to 800. The total booklet sold was 800. And then the total amount collected. Okay, the total amount collected, you have to multiply this and this and this. 30 multiplied by X, 50 multiplied by Y. So we have 30X plus 50Y is equal to 30,000. Okay, so the first method, I'm showing you to solve this using what is it? One, we have elimination and another substitution. So I will show you using elimination method. So first, I will multiply this by 30. When I multiply by 30, I rewrite it. I have 30x plus 30y equals to 8 times 3 will be 24. We have 1, 2, 3 zeros, 24,000. Okay, so what we are going to do is that. And why do I multiply by 30? Because I want to eliminate x. Okay, so if you minus 30 minus 30, you get 0x. 50 minus 30, you get 20y. And then 30,000 minus 24,000 will be 6,000. And then the value of y will be 6,000 divided by 20, which is 300. Okay, 300 booklets. And then in order to know what x, I will use the first equation. X plus y is equal to 800. So I replace y as 300. So x plus 300 is equals to 800. So how many booklet for 30 ringgit will be 800 minus 300, which is 500. But then I'm going to show you again, if you have method 2 using substitution method. Okay, so because I think most of you are going to take the maths in form 4, so you have to understand this method 2 better. Okay, you have to understand how to do the how to create equation is one, but how to solve using substitution method, that is, you have to take one of the subject and make it into one of the algebra and make it into subject. For example, if I make y as a subject, I will say y is 800 minus x. And the second equation is 30x plus 50y equals to 30,000. So I will replace y as 800 minus x. So we have here 30x plus 50 and multiply by 800 minus x equals to 30,000. And then expand the bracket. We have 30x plus 50 times 800. 5 times 8 will be 40. And then 1, 2, 3. We have another 3 zeros. And minus 50x equals to 30,000. And then I will simplify the number, the algebra. 30 minus 50 will be negative 20x. Then 30,000 minus 40,000 will be negative 10,000. Okay, so the value of x will be negative 10,000 divided by negative 20, which is 500. And then I will take the equation y is 800 minus x. X is 500, so I get 300 for y. Okay, if you do not understand this, I'm okay if you don't. I'm okay if you don't understand this, but you have to master this. Okay, especially for those who are taking maths, because some of the question in math letter, the only possible way is to use simultaneous equation. Okay, how to substitute one equation into another equation. Okay, is there any question? Is there anything that you need further clarification? Okay, let's read the question. The length of a rectangular swimming pool is P meter and its width is Q meter. Okay, first we have to draw rectangle, P meter, Q meter. It is given that the length of the swimming pool is twice its width. So it means P equals to 2Q. Okay, from the first statement. Okay, so let me know if you don't understand that. If the perimeter of the swimming pool is 150 meter, so it means P plus Q plus P plus Q equals to 150, because here it's P meter and Q meter. Simplify both. We have 2P plus 2Q equals to 150. So we should simplify. You divide all by 2. So divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, you get P plus Q equals to 75. So since this is already the subject, P equal to 2Q, I will replace P here as 2Q. Here I will replace where P is. So 2Q plus Q equal to 75. So it means this is 3Q equal to 75. So Q will be 75 over 3, which is 25. Q is 25, so in order to know P is 2 times 25, which is 50. So P is 50 meter, Q is 25 meter. So it's best in this case, because you have equation P equal to 2Q, substitution method is the best one. Okay, because you have the equation and you already have subject of it. Okay, so I'm not going to show you how to use elimination method.